season just started, but in fact, it's about done. We really want to go out and get a picture of Kaylina and I with a beautiful Sakura background today. But it's raining and it's kind of uncomfortable to be out in the rain. Also, not great for camera equipment. I don't know how we're gonna make it work. Is it Westgate?
Every time I walk, I can hear my shoes going squish, 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 squish.
That's so much. How much water do you have in your shoe?
I kind of have holes in the bottom of my shoes. It's not been an issue until it started raining. I think I need food.
We do have a limited amount of time before sunset.
I feel like I'm gonna be a bit grumpy if I don't get food. At least I'm self-aware about it.
What kind of sandwich is it?
This seems like it could be a good area to take a picture. Maybe.
Yeah, I mean, it's freaking, oh my gosh. You just stepped in so much water. Look at the puddle.
Okay, you're right. This is the best place to take a picture. It's gorgeous. It doesn't matter if our feet are soaking wet. You'll be able to tell on the picture.
I'm also realizing I don't know how we are going to take this picture.
Worst case scenario, we can do a selfie with the phone, which is not as epic, but it gets the job done.
This is how moms feel.
Can you slap that pedal on your backpack? And your head!
Nice.
It's everywhere!
Oh, yes.
It's
Got water in my eyes.
I'm shaking!
We're trying so hard. We could not take a picture by ourselves. We found a very nice lady who was taking pictures. She had a fancy camera, so I felt like she would be comfortable with our fancy camera. And she took a picture for us. It was awesome. I felt bad. She actually put down her umbrella, which I don't think she was happy about. But she did it for us.
Very, very nice.
Because she was a very kind human being.
Soaking wet.
Yeah.
I'm so excited to take off my shoes when we get home.
Yeah.
But that was pretty fun. I'm glad we did that.
Yeah, it's weird how everything about today should have been super unpleasant, but it was actually really fun.
Yeah. We have a rare picture of us together.
Oh, there's another puddle. Oh no. Well, that was my other foot.
Title!